we need to have a chat about getting a 99 ATAR. In particular, how much of it is natural ability? Less than people think. Talent does help, but as with everything in life, discipline, systems, consistency, your mindset, your work ethic, that's what's going to determine it. Now, yes, I will concede that I naturally am intelligent. I naturally was good at school. I naturally was smart, and I could often put a bit less effort than other people. But I would argue that my natural intelligence in school, I can counteract that argument with saying, but I studied less than most people because I was school captain in high school. In year 12, I played first team rugby. I was in a relationship. I had a social life. I had all these extracurriculars. So how did I do it? I'm not naturally the smartest person. People are so much naturally smarter than me, but how come I beat everyone? And I only studied less. I studied less. It's hard to explain to people. They say, oh, you're just smart. Oh, you can't do extracurriculars, blah, blah, blah. If I was only just smart and didn't have the work ethic and the systems and that sort of things, I wouldn't have been able to get the 99 ATAR and do what I did. I would have got a lower ATAR because I had too much stress and that sort of stuff. So school, like all things in life, reward your habits, not just your intelligence. It rewards organization, time management, and your study system, right? Most 99 ATAR students aren't these natural born amazing geniuses. Some are, but most students, especially 95 plus, most aren't geniuses. They're just students that study properly and put effort in, right? They are structured, they're consistent, they're emotionally resilient, they stick to a plan and they execute on it, right? First thing you got to realize is that my study system, as I talk about, my Anki past papers in the traffic light system, was so locked in. Now, it was so locked in, and that's why I teach you guys, and that's why I keep harping on about it. I feel like people are getting sick of me talking about it all the time, but I won't. I will not stop talking about Anki until I make my own flash cut up. I've said this in the last 2 videos now. I'm going to be making my own flash cut up. That's when I'll move to talking about my own flash cut up. Anki's perfect, but it's hard for people to learn, and that's a barrier to entry. Quizlet's easy to learn, but I don't think it's good enough. I'm going to make something in the middle where it's very easy to learn and just as good as Anki, if not better. And you don't have to download all the plugins. You don't have to, not a full tutorial. It's very easy to use for anyone, even your grandma could use it. Because right now, Anki, no, my grandma's not going to be able to use Anki. So, you need to realize, first of all, natural ability plays a part. I'm not going to say it doesn't, because I was naturally smart, but there's people, the same natural intelligence as me, if not smarter, that got better results. I mean, ATARs just came out. People got better results than me. I'm not like, I got 99.7. People got more than me. There's James Roos kids. There's all these kids that got amazing ATARs and they aren't helping people like I am. They're not like, they try to. I've seen people with 99.95s making videos and they don't help or have the reach I do or help as many people as I do or have the followers I do. I'm not trying to sound egotistical. I'm saying like people are attracted to me because of how I teach you the systems. And that's what I want to get across in this video. Just like anything in life, my biggest idol is Ronaldo, because Cristiano Ronaldo, just because of like his insane work ethic. And he didn't have, I don't think, I mean, just from what I know, I don't think he had insane natural ability. Like he obviously would have been talented, but the amount of effort he's been in, that he's put in, shows that you compare him to someone like Messi, who's like, I mean, in like soccer, football terms, Messi like is natural. You can tell he's just a natural, probably one of the most naturally gifted players ever, if not ever, the most. Ronaldo's not the most naturally gifted. He is gifted, but probably nowhere near Messi's natural, and he just works. Not saying Messi doesn't work and he's not naturally gifted, but you can see the different archetypes. I would say this is more me. I just worked extremely hard. Hence why you see so many smart people, they get high ATARs, but that's it. I was able to get a high ATAR and be school captain and like Ducks my school. I had a girlfriend at the time. I was playing first 15 rugby. I did all these things, not because I was naturally gifted in all of them. I wasn't naturally gifted in rugby. Honestly, I kind of was just a winger and I catch the ball and run. I was never naturally gifted in all of them. For me to be naturally gifted in every single one of these things, it's just like, I don't even know. I'm not like, I wasn't always a social kid. I was shy and a bit, I had to teach myself to be social. I had to obviously play footy. I had to teach myself how to play rugby because I played league my whole life, but you don't get all of it. Maybe yes, I was naturally gifted, but I didn't have all of it. So you need to realize that, I mean, obviously it's a cliche, but I don't believe it's all about natural ability. I'd say there's 1 or 2 kids in my grade in my school who was naturally smarter than me. I'd say the kid that came second or third was naturally smarter than me. Actually, the kid that was most naturally smarter than me like in my class and stuff. I don't think he even came top 3 because he stopped trying. Like he got early entry and stopped trying. So I don't remember exactly the places, but yeah, I would literally say like you need to just work. You need to work. And I know this is a cliche video. You're going to say, oh, you haven't actually given us much value because you just said you need to work. Just take it from me. A 9 on ATAR isn't some born genius thing. It's mostly discipline habits, mostly execution, and mostly mental resilience over time. If you want to get a 9 on ATAR, subscribe to this channel. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Put post notifications on. I'm going to be posting every single day, teaching you exactly how to smash school come 2026. I'm going to be posting every single day in 2026 on YouTube. Most days, like obviously as much as I can. As you can see, I've got the production quality, so the production quality is going to be going up. And other than that, you can achieve whatever you want in this world. For example, I started a business like Elite Achievers. I wasn't naturally a business person. I'm not naturally much. Maybe naturally intelligent and very intelligent was all I had. I wasn't naturally social. I have to push myself to do so much. Like I still like, I'm not natural. Like I wouldn't put anything down to like I'm a natural. I just say this is something I've worked at for so long, and it's why that I feel like I could go into any domain in life. You want to feel like you can go into anything and smash it. Like I could go and start a business in whatever niche or whatever and thrive in it because I feel like I have the work ethic to do it. That's what you got to do. You got to find out how do you work smarter, not harder. Because I come from I'm obviously half caste. My mum, I mean, I might not know that. You'll probably think I'm just full Indian. I'm half Indian. My dad's Fiji Indian. My mum's Aussie, like white Australian, European. And you see the immigrant mindset. My dad came to this country when he was 12 years old. I'm going to make a video on this, like the immigrant mindset and how it's related to my study and how you should take it for your study and how your work ethic. I've taken the mindset from almost both. Like I've got the immigrant mindset where you work very hard. I have that mindset. But a lot of that mindset is work hard and work on the same vehicle. Sometimes you got to think, is there a different vehicle that I could be working harder at? In terms of study, that different vehicle is a new study system. That different vehicle is stop writing notes and textbook questions and doing textbook questions and move on to Anki and past papers in the traffic light system. So think, am I actually low in ability? You'll surprise yourself in your natural ability. You'll think, oh, I'm not that smart naturally. When you start trying, it starts coming naturally. It starts coming. Trust me, it will. So you got to think, am I using the right vehicle to bring out my natural talent? Or am I just trying to work that old school mindset of just work, no matter what the type of work it is? You should have that mindset on the right type of work. Work smart and hard. Not smarter, not harder. Work smarter and harder. That's what you should do. But when you work smarter, you can actually work harder in less periods of time. So that was a massive rant. But again, to answer the question, how much of it is natural ability? Quite a bit, but less than half is what I would say.